create a project in NoodleTools, you want to make sure that you are in the Projects tab of your options up here. Make sure you're in the Projects tab and hit New Project in the upper left corner. At this point, you can title your project. I'm just going to call mine Example Project. And you select a citation style. This is important. Depending on what course you are taking and what the assignment requirements are, you will probably choose between MLA and APA, although you can also choose Chicago as well. I'm going to select MLA for my citation style. And for my citation level, I recommend the junior level. You can always change this later. Starter tends to be a little too simple and advanced is a little overwhelming for the beginner. So we're clicking the junior level. Now we submit our project, and the first screen we see is this dashboard screen. Every project in NoodleTools has these different options at the top: your dashboard screen, sources, note cards, and paper. I could write a research question in here. This will help me focus on what I am trying to find out from the research that I conduct. After I complete my research, I can type in my thesis or hypothesis. It's important to conduct your research before you decide on the main thesis of your paper. This way, you come at your project with an open mind. If I wanted to, I could start my paper in Google Docs from this screen. You don't have to fill out any of this information, but I recommend it for organizing your thoughts. The sharing and collaboration screens allow you to collaborate with other users. If I had a fellow student that I wanted to share my project with, I can add a student. I would simply need to know that student's username for NoodleTools. And I would type it in here. Then I can decide if they're a full collaborator able to make changes or a peer reviewer. And once I entered that name, I would hit done. My username is Biblio2019. So if someone was going to add me to their student collaboration project, they would put Biblio19 in here. And once you have created your project, you can then start creating sources for your project, and we will cover that in the next instructional video for NoodleTools.